Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can find your Instagram password easily on iPhone. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Then tap your profile here. Then tap menu, the Searchable. Tap account center, password and security. Save it login. Select your account. Here you have to toggle on this one. Not remove save it login, just cancel. Toggle on, okay? Good. Now from here search for passwords. Okay, that's passwords. It shows something like this. All the passwords, save it here. Just tap Instagram. If you just tap this password, that's username, and this is password, just tap password, directly the password appears. That's all. Have a nice time.